In this video, you will learn Excel tricks using unique function to generate insightful information or report out of sales data. So first let us learn how unique function works. So I will create a simple formula using unique. So this is my sales data. So my array is only one column. Row length is 567. So unique, the data range of one column, gives all unique regions from that column. I will edit this formula. So there are other optional parameters in this. So by column, I am going to use the default one, and then another one is there, third one, that is true means return items that appear exactly once. Then that means if you want to list out items in that column which appear only once, we have to use true. So default is false, means it will display all distinct items. So here if we use true, it returns items that appear exactly once in that list. So I will use true. So let's see what happens. So southwest and southeast appears only once in this list. Let us examine that. I will filter this southeast and southwest. See, these are appearing only once. Southeast also. So I'll clear the filter. So that is what this true stands for. So if I remove this, it will use the default value. It will return all distinct values of region from this column. So now I can find unique values combining columns, adjacent columns. So I can list out unique values from region and product. So I will edit this formula. So instead of this A, I will say column A and B. See, it has selected region as well as product range and use the default value. So I'll press enter. So it printed the distinct values from the combination of region and product. So in central, it has multiple entries. So we can also sort this. So I will edit this formula to add a sort around this unique function so that it will be easier to understand. So it will be sorted based on the first column. So it is sorted based on this column. So central, the product XYZ, central has another product DEF, central has another product ABC. Like similarly, east has DEF, XYZ and ABC. Similarly, government and west. So that is what unique does. It can combine adjacent columns to generate distinct values for the combination of those two columns. I added a sort around it. Now here also I can add if it is appearing exactly once. So we can print combinations appearing only once. So I will put true. So the list changes. So government with product XYZ is appearing only once. Government with DEF is appearing only once. Southeast with ABC is appearing only once. And southwest with DEF is appearing only once. So this is the formula. So using this formula, the sales team can identify regions having only one order for these products. So now let us see how to use unique function for a combination of two columns which are not adjacent. So here region and product were adjacent columns. But now if I want to see the customers having placed only one order for which all products. So I have to combine customer which is on the right side of product. So let us see how to generate that formula. So I will delete this formula. So I will first use choose columns, choose calls. So I have done a separate video on choose calls whose link I will add in the description. So choose calls, I will use the phone number. So choose calls, from this I have to first choose the fourth column, which is customer I want first. So 4, comma, then I want the product, which is the second column, second. So let me see what it does. So it listed out all customers and the products on which they have purchased. So let us further edit this. Now I will apply unique on top of this. So this is the data. So from where I will use the default value and I want to see unique combination which that returns items that appear exactly once. So the customers who have placed order only once for those products. So I will select true. So I have using the nested Excel functions. So unique over choose columns. Let's see what it prints. So it listed out customers and product combination where only one order has been placed in the sales data. So Chevron Incorporated. So DEF they have purchased only once from this data. Philip Morris have purchased XYZ only once. So we can see the different list if I remove this true. So if I remove this true, it will show entire distinct values. So all products, including if purchased more than once. So I will undo this. So now it is displaying only customers and product combination where there is only one order for that product. So now I want to sort this. So I will put a sort function before unique. So we are using 3 nested functions. Choose calls, on top of it unique, and top of it sort. Let's see how the results look like. So Air Canada, so purchased ABC product. Air Canada has purchased EF and ABC only once. BN Plastics have purchased XYZ and ABC products only once. So like that you will get, so this will give an insightful information for sales team so that they can focus more on these customers for these products so that they can sell more products to these customers. That's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. Please click on like button if you find the information I shared useful and update comments. Also, please subscribe to my channel to get notified about new videos which I will post in future.